What's up everyone? If you want to access S3 Bucket from Windows without dealing with slow browser uploads or confusing apps, this is the video for you. I'm going to show you how to connect to Amazon S3 as network drive on Windows and move your files like it's just another folder on your laptop. And yeah, hit subscribe before we jump into it because we've got a lot more practical tech tips coming your way. Now, Amazon S3 is massive, and if you're storing project files, video backups, or anything else, it's really solid. But let's be a little bit clear. Windows cannot do this alone. There's no native magic here without a dedicated third-party app. Your S3 bucket stays trapped in the cloud. That's where CloudMounter comes in. CloudMounter is seriously the easiest S3 client for Windows that I've ever used. You open the app, pop in your AWS credentials, and suddenly your bucket is right inside File Explorer. You can move files, upload files to S3, and even transfer files between S3 and other clouds like Google Drive or Dropbox without breaking a sweat. And if I'm being honest, it all feels really, really natural. Like this cloud storage was always a part of your laptop. And the magic doesn't stop there. You can add multiple buckets if you want and encrypt your storage so everything stays safe while you work. The File Explorer integration is really smooth, so you can mount Amazon S3 right away and upload files without a second thought. Honestly, it's pretty perfect for a ton of people who struggle with traditional cloud setups. Freelancers managing client files, video editors handling massive footage, even people who just love keeping everything neat and organized will really appreciate it. What I love the most is how seamless it makes working with Amazon S3. There's no waiting, no complicated tools, just open your bucket in File Explorer and get things done. It finally makes S3 feel like it belongs in your workflow instead of being a separate headache that you have to deal with. So yeah, using CloudMounter to access S3 Bucket from Windows just changes everything. Your workflow is faster, file management is a lot smoother, and everything just clicks. And you're gonna wanna make sure to hit the link in the description to grab CloudMounter with 15% off. Once you try it, you'll really wonder how you ever handled Amazon S3 on Windows the old way.